we're gonna be doing a Roblox
Hey,
video
what's
with LaserLord239.
Hey, what's going on, guys?
So we're gonna be playing a Roblox.
Swarm
Yeah.
Simulator.
Swarm Simulator.
And
I played it a bit.
new first pro style.
So we're not gonna.
No, exactly.
Yeah, you're right. So we're gonna play this.
5.
Yeah. Right.
Man, that's really
Go get
easy.
some honey.
Okay.
Because LaserLord239 showed me how to basically get a really good view right away, so that helped a lot.
Actually, I just showed him how to use the royal jelly buff.
Yeah, because I've never played this game and I didn't think it looked interesting, so that's why I didn't play it, but it looks really good.
It is. It's pretty good.
Okay, it's either me or it's just lagging and I can't mind things.
That may be it.
So it might be a pretty short video because my phone is about to die.
Same here.
So yeah, his tablet's about to die. So I'm just gonna
A bumblebee, not bad. Do you know what this means, guys? I can go into the blue base now.
Yeah, I think.
Oh, and you can't. Yay! I can get away from you. Yay!
Yeah, I think you've made a video on this before, right? Yeah. So I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make a series on this game. I don't think I will.
I mean, I will. I pretty much make a series on every game I play.
But sorry I haven't made a gaming video in a
And
while.
sorry, I'm lagging.
Because what happened was, is that you?
Huh?
I thought it was you. Oh, it is you, I think. It is.
Yeah, it was.
What happened was my old app would not record my voice, and it like made me rage. So I had to stop making gaming videos, and
Sadness.
I had to so Gecko that you might have saw, and I basically just did live streams for the last
Month?
No, like 3 weeks, and it kind of sucks because
Yeah. What the heck?
I'm cooking tap.
Make honey because you don't have any honey in you. Well, I
I
think.
do, it's full.
Oh, your bag is full?
We'll go to your inventory.
Oh, you want? If you just have make honey,
It says go
what?
to in my inventory to that makes sense.
Yeah, and then he goes here and he makes you some honey.
Yeah, I've never.
Vicious bee is attacking somebody in the cactus field. Oh, frick! Yeah, me neither. So I guess someone's gonna get a bunch of stingers. I can see the cactus field from here if you want to look. The vicious bee is attacking. See all those spikes in there?
Yeah.
They're getting attacked by the vicious bee. Man, I wish they would attack in areas that everyone can go to.
Yeah.
Kind of makes it upsetting.
Well, it makes it way fairer. Not as good now. Hey, I found like a random token behind it. Looks like a smart.
Man, I wish I had 4 legendary bees, but sadly I only have 1.
Received a treat. What does that mean?
Trait, you can increase your bond with a bee, meaning you can level your bee up. So let's drag it. 26 traits. Level up 1, just keep giving those to your bee. And then, he'll just start liking you more. Like level up.
I wish I could level them up all at once.
And then just give them 1. Because that'll happen. Don't spend all your cheats on that hasty bee. You think I care? So let's see. The honey wand, I believe. What? The bubble wand? It's so much.
I just got 500 honey.
500 honey? That's...
Because I went to...
I usually say that's bad.
Is it?
Yes.
Good for you, but you
Yes.
only got 500 honey.
4 blueberries, some honey. Wow, this blueberry dispenser is good.
Alright, super sweet.
Give me that honey token. Crap. What's this?
What do tickets do?
Enter the portal, I
Oh,
guess.
special coin.
Oh, perfect. This is just what I needed. I totally wanted that.
How do you go to different fields?
It just teleported to me to the other side of the map. I'm never using that portal again.
How do you put it in fields?
As you hatch more eggs, you're able to go to more fields. Do, 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 do. So what do you think the goal for this video should be? Actually buying the level 10 area? I'm actually just going to get the level 10 area because I don't actually own the level 10 area yet. I just launch myself to it using the slingshot. Because as long as you can get past the gate,
what's the best area?
There's no forcing it. The best area... you guys tell me in the comments. I think it might be... well, let me look up there.
Yeah, let me know what you guys think the best area is, and I'll check. So I really don't know. Like I've said, I've never played this game.
I think one of the best is the cactus area, but... open shop. I'm gonna have to...
I should probably do that.
Oh, yeah, you're right, probably. Yum, 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 yak, 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 blah, 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 blah.
I have something like a 700. How does that guy have that many bees? That's like insane.
How? Because he's grinded, boy.
Yeah. So I don't know.
Oh, this is my hive.
I'm probably not gonna make a series on this, but
If you do, you should try to make as many videos with me as you can. Well, I'm sure they're gonna trade me soon.
okay, so my phone's about to die, so I think I'm gonna leave off the video here, guys. So I'm going to make another video maybe next week.
Maybe tomorrow.
Maybe, because I made a video that was, like a couple days ago. I made 2 videos and I was gonna stop for like 2 weeks, but then I came to my friend's house, so I think I'm gonna make another video in like, I don't know, maybe tomorrow, if not in like a week. So stay tuned for that. Leave in the comments what you think
So I can tell you've left since your hive disappeared.
Yeah. So let me know in the comments what you think the best like area or like the best.
Yeah.
The best area and the best bee is in the game, and I will.
Well, I know what the best bee is.
Yeah, but don't say it, please.
Too bad.
Okay. I will see you guys.
Probably
later.
the gifted vicious bee, actually.
Peace.
Probably the gifted vicious bees. Well, it probably is. I'm just saying. Maybe it's one of these gifted bees, because gifted bees are like 10 times better than the normal version. Okay, good. It captured his voice. Anyways, I think I'm just gonna fill my backpack one more time, and then I'll probably end it off too. What was that?
Good question.
Yes. No, I didn't.
Okay, cool. I just wanted to test you because I said ye, so that's fun. No, stop.
Gumdrop, gumdrop, gumdrop. Gum. You want to see something? It's called a gumdrop, and I don't think you have any. Gumdrops. I now made the field of
Yeah, I will have more videos with him. And
in the future. It's a lie. Don't listen to him.
And he might make more videos with me.
Yeah. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Are you ready to do this? 3, 2, 1. Peace! I said 3, 2, 1. Peace!